Hi YouTube, I got here a 2005 Mazda 3 and today we are going to change the coolant sensor. Over here, as you can see, we're gonna have to change this little gadget. Alright, I know everybody's like wondering where is the coolant sensor located on this Mazda 3 2005. Well, the coolant sensor is located all the way in the back of the engine. Let me see if I can take it straight to it. It's all located all the way in the back. Right here. I don't know if you can see it, but the sensor is located right there. Okay. In order to change that sensor, you are going to need a number 19. Let me see if I can focus it and good. And number 19 1.5 socket. This one you can go buy, it costs around $7, bad boys. And if you don't have a 1.5 connector, like maybe you won't have at home, you will have the regular one 3x8. So I bought this adapter, which is a 3x8 that will connect to the socket, which is 1.5. So this is gonna help me change the sensor. Alright, then we go back to the engine. So you already know the sensor is located behind this metal platform in the back. Alright, let's get to work. The yellow connector that you see right there, that's the connector that goes in the sensor. And right now we're about to go and change it. Remember, this is a 2005 Mazda 3 hatchback and we're changing the coolant sensor. Alright, let's get to it. Like I said before, I don't have a 1.5 wrench, so I bought this 1.5 by 3/8 adapter. So we'll go over here. I figured out the 1.5 socket is better than number 19 millimeter. 1.5 socket is better than the 3x8 number 19 socket. It's not good. This one's better because it's deeper. So you just come, put the sensor inside, twist it around and take it out. Right, you just do this right there and then you get the wrench. This is my Stanley 3x8 wrench. It will go just like this. There you go. Let me use this to take it out. Let me get a little adapter. It seems it's way too close. So yeah, we're gonna go over here underneath in the back. Make sure to align this right. Okay, and then we start twisting it off. It should come off very easily because it's not supposed to be way too tight. Okay, we take it out. Remember, the sensor is all the way here in the back. Seems I need a little bit more to socket power. Alright, as you can see, this is the old coolant sensor. It looks kinda bad, you see? it doesn't, it looks kind of like rusty and stuff. Maybe that's why the code appear on my dashboard. Right, we're gonna replace this part with the new one. This one is the new coolant temperature sensor. As you can see, this one looks way more nice than this one. See? Get to the difference. Remember, when you're gonna tighten this end, don't over thread it, because then you're gonna start leaking out. I'm gonna put it back inside where it goes. Now you're gonna come and you're gonna use the ratchet. Remember not to over tighten it. You put it back in there, then you're gonna tighten it. Okay, then you're gonna come and you're gonna put the connector back, which is the green one, this one that you can see. You're gonna put it back, there it goes. And there you go, guys, and there you go. That's how you change the temperature sensor on a 2005 Mazda 3. Alright, then next I'm going to show you how to erase the code so it won't appear on your dashboard no more. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay, everybody, like I said before, we were changing the coolant sensor for 2005 Mazda 3. Here I'm going to show you how to erase the code now that we changed the sensor. In my left hand I got a Can OB2 by Centec. This little machine, basically what it does, it reads you the codes, the trouble codes. Let's say if your engine pops out, the engine lights pops out, then you use this machine to tell you which code, to tell you what's wrong with your car. So we're gonna use this machine to erase the code now that we changed the sensor. This machine also told me that which sensor need to be replaced. Alright, now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna turn on the key. We're gonna get the key. We're going to turn on the car. There you go. We got all the sensor lights on. go. Now we're gonna come on the we're going to hit enter. Now we found two codes. Now enter again. Now we're gonna go to erase code, enter. Okay guys, we turn on the car, and as you can see, no more engine light. We have replaced the coolant sensor for 2005 Mazda 3. Alright, thanks for watching.